Good morning, students. Welcome to online classes. It's your SST class, and we are doing chapter 2 Family Similarities. So, in our last class, we have done the difficult words for this chapter, and I think you all must have read the chapter once more. I told you, and I also told you to write the difficult words 3 times. So, all of you have written it. Now, today we will do something to know, that is, back exercises of this chapter. A. First one is tick the correct option. Here you have to tick the correct answer from these options. Okay. Number 1. The twins who look same are. What it will be? Identical twins, non-identical twins, fraternal twins. What it will be? Identical twins. Okay. Next, family members can have similarity in eating habits, voice, or both. So, family members can have similarity in both. C is the correct answer. Third number. Sunita Williams is a famous sports person, astronaut, or singer. So, what it will be? It will be astronaut. B. Sunita Williams is a famous astronaut. Fourth number. A famous personality who has followed the footstep of his parents. Sachin Tendulkar, Milkha Singh, Rohan Gavaskar. So the correct answer is C. Rohan Gavaskar. Now B. Fill in the blanks. What it is? Fill in the blanks. Here help box is given and you have to see from here and you have to fill the blanks. Number 1. Members of family often dash each other. What is the correct answer? Resemble. 2. Many twins look dash, but some twins look exactly alike. Many twins look different. The correct answer is what? Different. Third, the dash of one family members affects the other members. What is the correct answer? Action. The action of one family member affects the other members. Fourth number, many children resemble their dash, uncles, aunts, or cousins. What it will be the correct answer? Grandparents. Fifth number, in some families, the food habits of the members may be dash. What will be the correct answer? Similar. Okay, so you have to write it in your class for copy. Don't write the help box. Okay, write only the questions and you write the answers. C number. Write true or false for the statements given below. Some statements are given here. You have to write true. If the sentence is correct, you will write true. And if the sentence is wrong, you will write false. Okay. Number 1. Identical twins look different. Identical twins look different. So this statement is not correct. So what we will write? False. All family members have similar voice. No, it is also not correct. All family members do not have similar voice. So it is also false. If parents are tall, their child is bound to be tall. No, this is also wrong statement. So it is false. The likes and dislikes of family members are never similar. This is also wrong, so here it will be false. Okay, so we have done A, B and C today. I have also provided you with the PDF. You can look from there and write the answers. Okay, and where you will write? In CW copy of SST. Okay, next in my next class I will give you the question answer for this chapter. So your classwork you will give date also. Today's date is what? 28th April 2020 and you have to write A, B and C in SST classwork copy and as you have to give what? Heading also. Chapter 2, Family Similarities. Then you start writing. Understood? Thank you, children, and do your work.